Good morning to all present for this third convocation of Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University.
Friends, I declare that MIT World Peace University Convocation 2021 open. Thank you.
We, the graduates of Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University, Pune, hereby pledge that we shall be honest.
I hereby confer the degrees. Thank you. Thank you.
The 127 students who have passed the Master of Technology program and have registered for this convocation and in absentia.
The 1,487 students who have passed the Master of Business Administration, Master of Computer Application and Bachelor of Business Administration programs and have registered for this convocation and in absentia.
The 120 students who have passed the Bachelor of Arts Honours program under Faculty of Liberal Arts and have registered for this convocation and in absentia.
The 11 students who have passed the Master of Commerce program and have registered for this convocation and in absentia. I present before you the 220 students who have passed the Bachelor of Commerce in E-Commerce and the Bachelor of Science in Economics program and who have registered for this convocation and in absentia.
I would like to call upon Snehal A. Lai, Master of Science, Mathematics, Gold Medal, First Ranker.
The 6 students in absentia who have passed the postgraduate diploma in regulatory affairs.
Priya Rajesh Gandhi, Master of Arts, Ecology, Society and Sustainable Development, first gold medalist.
Congratulate all those rank holders. तो हमारा खुद का नाम भारत जो सदियों से चला आ रहा है, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये भी एक इस तरीके की अमेंडमेंट हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में सब जगह पे होनी चाहिए कि इंडिया का नाम भारत आने वाले समय में 75 साल की आज़ादी में
I learned a lot from the founder, Dr. Vishwanath Karad. This great magnificent dome, this magnificent vision to create these universities. Every time you meet somebody, learn something, engage somebody, teach somebody. Teaching is also learning.
A future which is all the brighter because of today and your achievements. My congratulations to each of you on reaching this milestone in your academic careers.
It truly fills my heart with a sense of pride and pleasure when I stand before you, especially in the Philosopher's and Dhaneshwara Hall, on the most auspicious occasion of the third convocation ceremony. What is the future? आगे कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, क्या लेना है, क्या देना है? सेवा एक शब्द यूज किया गया, सर्विस टू द सोसाइटी.
To this Vastu where we all are sitting, the Vastu which is spiritually and educationally and socially blessed, a Vastu which gives us a venue and gives Tathastu to all our wish and dreams. So a gratitude towards this dome of world peace.